to replace the drive cable, you're going to have 3 snap rings total. You're going to remove the large snap ring. After that, you will have a smaller snap ring. After that smaller snap ring is removed, you'll be able to pull on the tip of the cable itself, and it'll basically pull away from the nozzle. Once that's complete, you can remove the nozzle bearing, basically putting a wedge in it and tapping with a hammer against a hard surface will remove the bearing, and you will have one smaller snap ring. Now, once that's removed, you'll be able to pull the drive cable out of the hose itself, insert your new drive cable, and putting the pieces back on will be the small snap ring, your new nozzle bearing, and then your small snap ring, once that's on, you'll be able to push the drive cable and nozzle back into your nozzle end and inserting the large snap ring to hold it in place.